Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make Xiao Long Bao, which is a typical traditional Chinese food. We need a bowl of water, flour type 55, a big bowl to make a wheat dough, dried mushroom, and some meat. Today I will let you see the whole process. First of all, put all your mushroom into the water. Just put the bowl aside and wait for like half an hour. And now we will prepare the wheat dough. Put about a half kilo flour into the bowl and add some water. We need to add more water. It's still very hard to press, so we need to add more water. Wheat dough is too big. It's fun to make a wheat dough by your hand. By making a wheat dough, you can release your stress. The more time you press it, the better wheat dough you will get. I'll put this metal ball on the floor and press it. That would be easy. In summer, it is usually very hot, and people will easily lost their appetite. So the Xiao Long Bao would be the best choice in summer. As you can see, this wheat dough gets even better. Now we just need to let it relax, and we need to cover it with a cover. You can see there's some vapor on the lid, and in this time the wheat dough is pressing, and also the dried mushroom has sucked a lot of water, and now it's getting bigger and looks smooth than before. But still we need to wash it because there's still some earth stick on it. In the meantime, I have washed the mushroom, removed the earth on the surface. After 20 minutes, the dough surface looks much more smooth. However, we need to press it again. Now we need to dice the mushroom into small pieces. Before you dice it, it would be very practical to squeeze your mushroom first. Otherwise, there will be a lot of water on your board. And put this diced mushroom into a new small ball. Continue to cut all of them. For Xiao Long Bao or dumplings, I prefer the stuffing with pork and mushroom, especially dried mushroom, because dried mushroom has the special flavor. Separate the minced meat a bit. Make a small hole in the middle and put the diced mushroom into the meat. If you like, you can also put an egg into the stuffing. As the best result, you will see the minced meat stick on the diced mushroom very well. So you need some patience. Now it's flavor time. We need to add 1.5 spoon salt, a little bit oil to help them mix well. If you like, you can also add some soy sauce. It's so easy, that's it. And continue to mix them well. Now let's have a look at our wheat dough. It's very smooth and ready to go to the next step. Now take a small piece of your wheat dough and shape it like this. It with proper size. And shape it into a small ball. And press it like this. After we have made this slice, we can wrap our Xiao Long Bao. Put some stuffing in the middle of this wiggle slice. Add more. And wrap it like this. Or you can just wrap it into any shape as you like. This is a typical shape of Xiao Long Bao in China. It's cute, right? steam your Xiao Long Bao for about half an hour. Wow, it's eating time! I used to eat Xiao Long Bao with zhenjiang vinegar and chili sauce. If there is still some rest window, then you can make some noodles for your children.